Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some of the most viral art hacks you have seen online. But here is the twist. We'll be using Grandink's canvases, easels and palette knives to test these hacks and see if they are worth the hype or not. So let's get started. Our first hack is the bubble wrap hack. It's supposed to create some amazing textured pattern for the abstract art. Here I have switched to Grandink's palette knife because it's great for highlighting and refining the textures. The bubble wrap adds unique texture and the palette knife really helps polish the final look. This hack is messy but so much fun. The next hack is all about sharp, clean lines using washi tapes. It's perfect for modern geometric designs. I'm using Grandink smooth surfaced canvas for this. It ensures no paint seeps under the tape, giving perfect, super crisp edges. The results speak for themselves. Clean, bold and satisfying, isn't it? Our final hack is the classic string pull technique. The idea is to create a beautiful leafy pattern by dragging a paint-covered string across the canvas. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, this hack is a keeper. It's simple and produces such stunning results. Highly recommend trying this out. And that's it. 3 viral art hacks tested. And I'm so impressed with the results. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you are inspired to try these, make sure to check out Grandink's tools. They have made this process so much smoother and more fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.